And another one, the next step in AI in avatars generation is like a chat avatar. So we today we just released it, so you would be among the first could be among the first users to try. So chat avatar is not like you are adding a voiceover to your presentation or just creating your avatar, but this avatar could interact with you and answer your questions. So you could chat with it, or you could use a voice with it and ask different questions. So it is working basically like that. You are giving this avatar a role and a knowledge base, and this avatar will interact with your audience according to its role. It could be a sales manager, or it could be a customer support manager, or it could be whoever, I don't know, trainer, mentor, whoever, and it will follow. You are giving it instruction, what should it say, what should it avoid to say. But in general, behind of this story is ChatGPT, and it works very, very good. So for instance, we launched for everyone, like for not for everyone, but it already public, but we are just making it a small announcement to try. But I would like to ask my colleagues, please, could you please share the link for those ones who would like to try? So you could just go to the page and try to talk to Avatar and see how this avatar could be applicable for your business. What is good, and if you worry that you cannot control the conversation, we are making all the chats, we are transferring chat transcript to analytics, so you would see what your people, your prospects are asking, and what avatar is answering. And if you see some incorrectnesses, you could just edit a script to chat and to your avatar, and then it will work better and better for you. So this is like the next generation, and the conversational avatar is like the tool that I really like, because I shouldn't like make a lot of effort to look for information on the web page and so on. I just asking it to do the job for me, and it is like answering me into sentences that I would like to know.